Did you know that foreigners cannot own property in Mexico's beach area, but you can still own it 100% through what is called Fideicomiso or bank trust? My name is Marc Pont from Jaguar Tulum Real Estate, and in this video I'm going to explain in less than 3 minutes what a Fideicomiso is and how it works. According to the Mexican Constitution, foreigners cannot own property within 50 kilometers of the coastline or 100 kilometers of international borders. That means if you are looking to buy a property near the beach or close to another country, your name cannot be written directly on the title. Why? It's a matter of national protection. But you can still own your piece of paradise in Mexico. All you have to do is buy through a fideicomiso, which is just a bank trust. Through this trust, a Mexican bank holds the title of the property, but you are the beneficiary with all the rights. You can use it, sell it, rent it, or pass it on to your heirs. This only applies in the restricted zone. The trust lasts for 50 years and can be renewed without limit, giving you long-term security. It's regulated by the Mexican Ministry of Foreigners Affairs, making it a legal and completely safe mechanism that thousands of foreigners already use to own a property in Mexico. Setting up a fideicomiso costs around $2,500 and usually takes 3 to 4 weeks for the ministry to approve the permit. The annual fee is around $400, though prices can vary depending on the bank. In short, the fideicomiso is the legal and secure way for a foreigner to own a property on the beach area in Mexico. If you have any question, feel free to contact me. I'm Marc Pont from Jaguar Tulum Real Estate. Hey, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more information on how to buy a property in Mexico. Adios!